guys, and welcome to today's new video. Today, we are going to be going to Best Buy right now. I'm currently putting my AirPods back in my case. We're going to Best Buy to buy an expensive speaker, even though I don't think we need one, but we're going to waste our money anyways, because we get it and we like to waste it. Okay, imagine if I just hit that truck. Okay, I can't. Okay, I need to grab my jacket because it's so freezing cold here, even though I'm in Texas. Okay, I'm gonna be putting this on while I'm in the parking lot. Right here. Now we're gonna go buy a $700 speaker. Okay, here we are. We're at Best Buy, my favorite store. Okay, let's go. What was that? Ooh, do you want a HomePod? Hey Siri. Yeah, it doesn't work. See, look, this is the speaker we are planning on getting. It is $700. This is it. Unless you get like a smaller version that's way cheaper. But yeah, look at the Galaxy. Look at the Galaxy Flip. This is hilarious. We got the thing in here. We got the speaker. What did you just throw? How are we gonna carry it out? This thing is so big. Okay, so today we will be reviewing this speaker. We will be reviewing this Sony huge freaking speaker that we got at Sam's Club. Best Buy. What? Okay, we'll grab that. Okay. I hate styrofoam. I'll take that out tomorrow because it's too late for that and I live in the middle of nowhere. There we go. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is how big it is. So look. Oh my gosh, it's like right up to here. That's how tall it is. There we go. Okay. Exactly how it's like in the store. This is what the speaker looks like. It's a Sony. See, look. Okay, I'm pairing it to my Android phone. Should it be connected? You didn't have to take that off. Okay. Connecting it to my my mom's phone because my Android won't work because I tried it many times and it doesn't work. So we're just gonna try that.
I never fucked Wayne, I never fucked Drake. All my life, man.